Lit Valentine. Today we are going to see some of the interesting things in Lit Valentine. So let's move on to that. The first slide is to improve your vocabulary. So today we are going to focus on some of the idioms which will help you to improve your vocabulary. With this, let's move on to the next slide. The first word is a fish out of water. It means someone in an uncomfortable position or situation. Example, it was my first day at my college and I felt like a fish out of water. If you want to say someone they are in an uncomfortable position or situation, you can use the word a fish out of water. So the next word is anything but. It means not at all. Example, when they heard about the science quiz, the students were anything but excited. Anything but means not at all. If you want to use the word not at all, you can use the word anything but. The next word is call it a day, meaning to stop working on something and plan to pick it up again later. Example sentence, after working for 3 hours on her office project, Winnie decided to call it a day. If you want to say someone that to stop working on something and plan to pick it up again later, or if you want to use the words in this sense, you can use the word call it a day. It means to stop working on something and plan to pick it up again later. With this, let's move on to the next slide. Let's delve in the world of literature to get to know interesting things. Today we are going to focus on something very interesting, guys. I hope you all will like it. So with this, let me introduce you the first slide. Modern European literature began with the Renaissance in the 14th and 15th century, and the Renaissance writers of Europe based their works on Greek classical texts. So from this, we are going to focus on the European literature, that is the beginning of the literature, and in the upcoming slides you will get to know what are all the things we are going to focus on. So let's move on to the next slide. Greek classical poets started writing poetry so long ago. And the earliest known poet was Homer, who lived around 8th century BC. And you know who is this? It was Homer, guys. Today we are going to focus on Homer. So from the beginning we are going to see the order-wise chapters. That is very useful for the learners who are preparing for the NET exams in English major. So today we are going to focus on Homer. Homer is known for his Iliad and Odyssey. He was believed to be the first and greatest of all epic poets. He is central to the Western canon, author of the first known literature of Europe. In Plato's Republic, the importance of Homer to the ancient Greeks described him as first teacher of tragedies and leader of Greek literature. In True History by satirist Lucian describes him as Babylonian called Tigranos, who assumed the name Homer when taken hostage. Notable works of Homer are Iliad, Odyssey, Homeric Hymn, and Epic Cycle. To know the continuation of this session, subscribe Lit Valentine. It's just a reminder for you all because in the upcoming videos I am going to post the order-wise authors and their works and about the deep immense knowledge of literature. You will get to know about it, guys. So don't miss it. So please subscribe Lit Valentine, and with this, today's session is over. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.